All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your tire on your little lawnmower trailer. This will also help if you want to just put a tube inside this tire. Now, I couldn't find any tubes when I wanted to buy the tires, so I'm just going to replace the tires. These are tubeless tires, so it should work. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube on how to do this, so I had to figure it out myself. It's a little easier if you watch this video, because I figured out a couple little tricks on how to get it off and how to put it on and how to blow it up. So watch all the way to the end, because it's a little tricky and actually how to blow this up too. But you're going to need this little tool right here for the valve stem, so you can take the little needle out of your valve stem. You'll need that tool, maybe a little pair of pliers. You're definitely going to need probably a big screwdriver. And then I end up using this quick clamp and maybe probably just some soapy water, really. This is Windex. I'm kind of wasting Windex. Don't tell my wife. And you're going to need an air compressor. Real simple. I'm just going to jack this up. You probably really don't need this crazy huge jack. You could probably pick it up, just put a block under there or something. Okay. Now we're going to take that little cotter pin right here out. Just got to bend this straight. Just keep bend this straight. Probably the dumbest pliers. I don't know why I grabbed them. Yeah, these pliers probably work better. Okay. We're going to tap that out. There might be a little washer here on the side. Now I should be able to take this tire right off. Don't lose. See, there's another washer on the other side, so don't lose them two washers. All right, first, I'm going to remove this valve stem with this valve stem remover. And don't lose your valve stem. If you do, you can buy new valve stems too. Might not hurt to replace them. Okay, because these things are so old, I might end up replacing that. I don't know. I'm just going to take this quick clamp and try to break this seal. You got to get these. So you're probably going to need a big one like this. I'll try to put some of this stuff down in the description. This should break that seal. Just keep squeezing. There we go. See that? Broke it on that side. See this? Broke all the way around. Yep. All right, that's all broke. Now you can take a screwdriver and stick it down in there. Now this is where it might help to just make it so this slides off a little bit easier. Some soapy water or something. Put that in there like that. This side. Pull that up. There you go, like that. If you want to keep that in there. That. Kind of keep that screwdriver in there. Just kind of work your way around. Getting this old one off is pretty simple. Putting the new one on is not so easy. And I'm not going to blow my tire up like some people do. It looks a little scary to do that. All right, there we go. That's off. Not that I don't got to worry about hurting this tire. There we go. That's with that one. Now, I can pull that. Go. That's the old one. Put the new one on. Make sure you have the same exact size. Put some of that soapy water on there. Pop right down in there. Getting it this side on is not so bad. Kind of roll it in there. And you might have to use your screwdrivers. Pop that in there. that. Easy. Now, this is the hardest part, getting the other side on. You can flip that over. I have to get this bead down inside there. This is a little trickier. A little bit of something's helped that slide. But I found that just kind of pull that back so I can get that down in. Then you're going to put your knees. That's what I did. It's going to be hard to show you this. This is how I got it. Knee one side, I got that side. Push down. Come on, baby, get in. Get as much as you can get in there. And then you just start working your way around with that big screwdriver. In. You got to try to hold it from slipping. Put that in there. Work your way around. In there. Just keep working it. Oh. Don't pick your knee up like I just did. It's hard when I have camera gear on. There we go. There we go. There we go. See that? One more time here. I think she's gonna go in. Well, I got her. Now she's in. Now, easy. It's not super easy, but hopefully that helps you understand how to get that in. Kind of a pain in the butt. All right, now I'll show you how I got this inflated, because you can go over there and try to start pumping, or put your needle in there and start pumping it up. It's not going to work. You're going to want one of these for your air compressor. Put that on. Keep the needle out. Don't put that needle back in yet. And I'm just going to stick this in here. Now I have my air compressors probably over 90, probably at least 100 PSI right now, just so I get a lot of air to go in here. But this is going to blow that thing out. See that? That kind of seals that up. Now it doesn't really matter if the air comes back out. It's somewhat sealed up around the bead here. Take your little tool. All right, like that. Then you can put about 14, 15 pounds of pressure in there. All right, and put our tire back on. Make sure when you put your tire back on, make sure you have your valve stem facing out so you don't have to go under your trailer to put air in this. Put one of these washers on first, and put your tire on, like that. Put another washer on, put your little cotter pin across there, tap that in there. There we go. And you gotta bend that back so it don't fall out. All right, that's about it. I hope that helped you change your tires on your little trailer that you pull behind your lawnmower. And I'll put some of this stuff down in the description. This also helps support my channel a little bit. I make a tiny, tiny little commission off anything you would click on. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps support my channel. If you want to buy everything out everywhere else, no big deal, but just hit that subscribe button. That also helps support my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. God bless, and have a great day.